guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a try-on video with the items from my BoxyCharm this month. If you want to see how the items work, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I have my box here. I did already open it because I wanted to see what the items were, and I did a little video. I don't know if you guys caught it on Instagram, but I did post a little video there. First, let's go ahead and grab the GlamGlow. This is actually just the box because I put the item in the bathroom so that I can use it, but the packaging is pretty much just like the box. It is really cool and pretty. You guys see that? And it's a cleanser, so I haven't tried it yet, but once I try it I will let you guys know how it works. And so we have the Steve Laurent lip gloss in Posh. This is the Ciate London Eye Lustre Cream Shadow Color Shifting Pigments. Okay, and this is in the shade Cupid. We're gonna take them out of the box, but for now I just wanted to show you guys the items. And this is Cashmere lip pencil in Mocha. This is by Vintage by Jessica Liebeskind. I'm sorry, I'm probably not saying that right, but it is a lip primer. And then this is what I'm really excited for. Also the other stuff, but I'm really excited for this. This is the Colorete brush trio from Alamar Cosmetics, and I'm actually going to be using the Alamar palette as well in this video to show you guys a look. At the end of the video I will tell you guys what the prices are for these items and how everything works on the face. So let's get started. I've already have done my foundation, my bronzer, and everything pretty much on the face already. The only thing I don't have on is blush and highlight. So for my blush, I'm gonna go in with the Alamar Cosmetics blush trio. That's what it looks like. It is so pretty. If you guys can see that, look at all those pretty colors. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna mix in Seclusion and Isla. Just gonna mix those two together. So pretty. And it looks like they have a little sheen to it, maybe. Yeah, they definitely have a sheen to it. If you guys can see that, there's a little like highlight there. So now that I have placed that blush, I did put some highlight off camera. So let's move on with the eyes now. And I think one of these is like a topper. Yep, the eye luster here. We're gonna go ahead and do that. But first we're gonna use the Alamar palette. I'm gonna go in with the shade Coco Taxi, which is this one right here, and that'll be like my transition shade. And I'm just using the Morphe E27 brush to place that above the crease. Now that I have placed that color, I'm gonna go in with the shade Tropico, which is this darker orangey shade, kind of like a terracotta shade, and put that on the crease. And I'm using that same brush that I just used, the E27. I'm gonna grab a little bit more of Coco Taxi. And then to deepen the outer corner here a little bit, I'm gonna go in with the shade Cafecito. And this is the Morphe M441 brush. And I'm really just going in the outer corner and just going in a circular motion to blend it out. Color is really pigmented. It was really nice and it blended out really good. I did bring you guys in a little bit closer so you guys can see the Ciate shadow. So it comes in this little thing here and that's what it looks like. It has like a pinky shift to it, so I'm wondering if I should put a little bit of another color underneath of it. I think I'm gonna grab a little bit of Guantanamera, this one right here. This is the Juvia's Place 002 small definer brush, and that's what I'm gonna use to pack that color on the lid. Just meeting it up with that brown shade here on the outer corner. And I'm not gonna put any more on. I kind of just want a little wash of this on the eye. And then I'm gonna blend it out with my E27 brush. And use a little bit of Tropico to blend it in. And over it with a little bit of Coco Taxi. Kind of want to darken out that outer corner a little bit more. I'm gonna go in with Cafecito again. Just a little bit. I'm not bringing it in as much as I did the first time. Just like that. Okay, and now I'm gonna go ahead and grab this cream shadow and I'm gonna place it over top of the Guantanamera shade. I'm gonna let it dry a little bit. It looks really pretty. It does have like a little pink undertone to it with some gold. So I don't know if the camera is picking up the pink. I'm gonna get a little bit closer so you guys can see. I'm just letting it sit on my lid for a little bit so it dries out, and then I'm gonna blend it a little bit. Okay, and now I'm gonna grab my Morphe M330 brush and see if I can just diffuse it a little bit. Did not put any product on that brush. Just trying to see if I can blend it a little bit. It looks pretty. What do you guys think? I might go over it with Cafecito just a little bit to darken out that corner there. I'm gonna grab a little bit of the shade Cafecito and put it on the outer corner here of the bottom lash line. I'm putting it here on the outer corner. I'm not gonna bring it all the way in, so just like towards the center. I'm gonna grab a little bit of Coco Taxi and Tropico, just going in with both of them. Tap out the excess and smoke that out a little bit. And bring it in just a little bit more than what I did with Cafecito. You guys can see here it did meet with that other color that I had here. I want to bring in another color from the Alamar Reina del Caribe palette into the look. I don't know if I want to do Varadero or Celia. Why don't we mix them together? So I'm gonna grab I'm gonna go in also on my waterline with this NYX Professional makeup. This is the Slide On, Glide On, Stay On, Definitely a Turn On Waterproof Extreme Eyeliner. This is in the shade Azure. Gives us a little pop of color there. I'm gonna go off camera, do the other eye, and I will be right back. Okay guys, we are back with the other eye done. I also added lashes and a little bit of eyeliner. So yeah, that is what the eyes turned out to look like. Now we're gonna move on to the other products, and that is the two lip products that we have here. So this is the Cashmere Lip Pencil, vintage by Jessica Liebeskind. I don't know, I can't say that name, sorry. This is what it looks like. And it looks like it's a little pinky color. So let's go ahead and line our lips with this. It does feel really creamy and easy to apply. It's really creamy and it looks really pretty. I really like it. I think I'm gonna just apply it on the whole lip, since this one is just a lip gloss from the other product we have. It does look really pretty. I do like it a lot. Kind of reminds me of A Dose of Colors in Stone. I have that one. That's what this reminds me of, but maybe this is just a little bit deeper. And then next we are going to open the Steve Laurent. And that's what that looks like. And this is supposed to be a lip gloss, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that over this. Okay. It's a little peachy, like a pinky peach color. It has a good smell to it. I don't know exactly what it is, but it does smell pretty good. Okay guys, so this is the finished look using the products in BoxyCharm that I got this month. Let's go ahead and go through the products and see what stuff I thought worked okay and what I didn't think worked so well. So let's go ahead and start with the GlamGlow cleanser that retails for $28, which I haven't used. So I will keep you guys posted on that. I have not used that yet. Colorete blush trio, which is this right here. This is gonna retail for $22. It is so pretty, and I did use these two here. I haven't used that one yet, but these ones are really pretty, and they definitely did go with the look for today. You guys see that? So I did really like this, and of course I was not expecting it not to work since I really love the palette as well. This one is a hit for me. The next product in the box was the Ciate London Eye Lustre Cream Shadow. It's gonna retail for $22 as well. It's this pinky one. It's really pretty. I really think that it came out really nice, and you can definitely layer it and make it more vibrant or whatever you want, or you can sheer it out as well. The Steve Laurent lip gloss retails for $22. I really do like the color, so I'm sure that I will be using it more. It's not sticky or anything, and it sits well on the lips. I think it looks really pretty actually, so I really like this. Last but not least is our lip pencil. This is the Vintage by Jessica Liebeskind, the Cashmere lip pencil. This retails for $21. I really did like how this looked, even on by itself, or if you wanted to put a clear lip gloss over it, that would look really nice too. But I did like this, and it was really smooth, and I didn't feel like it was drying or anything, so this is really good as well. So recap, I think that everything actually worked great, at least everything that I've tried. I haven't tried the GlamGlow cleanser yet, but as soon as I do, I will let you guys know. Probably update you guys on Instagram instead of here. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, then go check it out. I'll leave a link down below so you guys can check out my Instagram page if you guys want to take a look at that. But anyways, this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. We'll see you on my next one. Toodles!